To take a minute to share with you an awesome deal that Pampered Chef is letting you take advantage of through the 15th of this month. If you own our deep covered baker, you know that that's a really great dish for really good food fast from the microwave or for the oven. But for people who host a catalog show or a cooking show from now and through to the 15th of November, you're going to be able to get the baby version, and that's the round cover baker. And this also has the lid and the bottom, so this is either for those side dishes, for dips, appetizers, or if you just need a smaller version instead of using the big deep cover baker. Now I said it's a $200 catalog order to take advantage of this special. But on top of this $52 value, you're going to be able to shop the catalog, get $20 more in free, get anything in the book at half price. And guess what another bonus is? 2 items in the catalog at 60% off. So man, do you want to start your Christmas shopping early. You're going to also get, last but not least, a 20% discount on everything else you want. So I hope you'll take a minute to inbox me, take advantage of this really great deal, and again, save money this season. Shop from your seat, saving your feet, and take advantage of what Pampered Chef has to offer. I love you guys, and I look forward to working with you. Thanks so much, and have a great day. Bye-bye.